Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And here we are. We have a C-47 and a B-25 flying at Butler County today. Should be a lot of fun, and this is the event you missed, and now we're going to head down to the hangar and get some more video for you. So we'd like to have you subscribe to our channel. Please hit the like button and notify so you can stay current with our latest content. You can drive there now. I'll just shoot video of all of the activity going on. Ooh, they got a P-51. Now here's one of our new toolboxes, and we had some Grumman-American decals, and we had a spare one, and Matt went ahead and put it on the toolbox. Looks pretty nice considering that we work on Grumman-Americans. It's only nice that we advertise it. And while I'm here, here's the nice new hangar. We have the sitting area over by the radiant floor, our big door, a lot of stuff parked in here. A lot of big area. We have enough room in here for 3 Grumman Tigers at one time and a couple of 2 places. So we'll be using this big floor for a while. And Shop Monkey's here. Talk to you later. Let them attack your shit. So as you saw, the C-47 and the B-25 were flying around the skies in Fairfield, Ohio today at KHAO. Meanwhile, we're back at home. We're testing out a new family member, a little ginger male. Let us know what you think. We still have to figure out a name for him. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.